Hi family, and welcome to another of my unboxing videos. Today we are going to unbox Lookfantastic's box for this month, June, and I'm very excited. It looks like this. So I did already open the box that it comes in, but I didn't open this one. So I don't know what's hiding in here. And let's just turn the camera and see what's hiding in this box. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Before we go, I just want to say I'm sorry that I'm filming with my phone. I can't find my camera. I know where I put it, but I really want to do this unboxing, so that is why I film with my phone. But I hope you don't mind. Here we have the box. It looks beautiful. I live here in Sweden. And let's see. Travel makes us all storytellers. That's nice, that's true. Then we have the magazine. We are not going to look in that. Yeah. Oh, this is the that explains the products in here. And then we have this magazine. I don't usually look at this magazine. So hard to open. Very expensive things in here. Okay, here we have it. It's beautiful. I love this color. Something smells nice. Ooh. Yes, there is. We have a soap that smells so wonderful. Traditional soap olive blossom. Oh, it smells so fresh. I like this. And I'm going to give this to my mom because she loves soaps. She really, really loves soaps. And I think she will love this one. Then we have Pili Mask. No panic. It's skin. If skin turns red, it works. Interesting. I would like to know what this mask does. But I will check that out. So this is a peeling mask. Let's open. Oh. Well, it doesn't have a nice smell. It has definitely natural ingredients in here. We'll see. Interesting mask. I'll try it. Okay, then we have next product. It's Filorga. Oh, I love this brand. Leaf Tractor cream. I really love this brand. I'll try it. I haven't tried many of their products. They're expensive, but I love the brand. And then have VFX EGF Serum for improved appearance of skin. Apply to face. Okay. Then we have surf spray, salt spray, bubble and bubble. It smells nice and fresh. And the last product in here, we have this hyaluronic acid and omega-3 9. This is cream. This is an eye cream. Interesting. I haven't heard about this brand before. This sounds interesting. Made in France. definitely try it out. Sounds interesting. So that's everything. Yeah. So we have this eye cream. We have surf salt spray. We have also a face cream, some kind of face serum. We have face mask and soap. So I will keep all of the products except the soap because I know my mom will definitely love this. And guys, I'm very happy with this box. So many new products that I haven't tried before. I'm very happy so I can try them. And I will tell you what I think about them in my empties. But I like this box. That's a nice box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you did, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.